Hi, I'm Karlye Shank, a game sound designer. I'm going to be showing you an interactive particle sound effect system that I designed in Fmod for an original game, and then I'll show you how I designed the same system in Wise and Unreal. In the game I was doing audio for, there was an interactive particle wall that the player could collide with. I needed to address how to create a unique sound that gave collision feedback to the player for the individual particles, while also having each particle sound work well with each other. To address these issues, I created two parameters, one controlled by particle velocity and one controlled by particle distance from its origin. The velocity determines which instrument out of a set of 4 unique instruments the sample will play from. Within those instruments, there are 3 multi-instruments that contain low, mid, and high-pitched samples of a 2-octave pentatonic scale. The distance from origin parameter controls which of the multi-instruments the sample will play from. Here's that system in game. In Wise, we have the same basic setup. The velocity parameter controls a switch container containing the 4 unique instruments. Each instrument is also a switch container that contains low, mid, and high-pitched samples in random containers, controlled by the particle's distance from its origin. One issue with the first system that I wanted to address this time around was the fact that it's difficult to experience the full variation of sound. To remedy this, I created a sequence container that had variable silence along with the particle system in it. This allowed for the particle sound to play throughout the particle's motion, instead of just at the beginning. In the particle blueprint, the function to play the sound is implemented on player collision with the particle. The 2 parameters are updated every tick to the particle's velocity and distance from origin. The function to stop the sound is also implemented on tick, where a check is done to see if the particle has returned to its origin, and if the particle is playing a sound. If both are true, then the function to stop the particle sound effect is called. On the particle manager blueprint, I created 2 custom functions, one to play the sound effect and one to stop the sound effect. Because I wanted to limit the number of instances of the sound effect and also keep the longer fade-out behavior of the stop event, I had to create an array to manage which particles were currently playing audio, and create both an add and remove function to edit that array, along with posting the play and stop events. Here's how the particle audio system works in Engine. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed getting to see some of the adaptive sound design work that I've done. If you have any questions, comments, or just want to say hi, feel free to reach out to me. Have a good day!